day everyone. We're here to discuss about the importance, use, and purpose of an emergency kit.
So what is exactly the emergency kit? An emergency kit is also known as a survival kit or disaster supply kit. It is a collection of essential items designed to help you survive for several days in the event of emergency or disaster. It includes your individual needs such as water, food, first aid kit, local maps, cell phone with charger or backup battery. In addition, we also need a cash.
So today, I will discuss the use of the item which is included in emergency. First of all, a water. A water is a person needed to keep them hydrated for several days. Second, food. A several day supply of non-perishable food such as canned goods, energy bars, or dried fruit. Third, first aid kit. This should include basic supply like bandage, antiseptic wipes, pain reliever, and any necessary prescription medication.
Fourth, flashlight and extra batteries. A flashlight is essential for navigating in the dark, and extra batteries ensure you have a reliable light source.
The fifth is a whistle. A whistle can be used to signal for our help if you are stranded or injured. The sixth is local maps. Local maps help you navigate if roads are closed or you need to evacuate.
The purpose of an emergency kit is to help you survive during the disaster and also to keep you safe. If you have an emergency kit, you can help others in critical situations, especially if they are injured.
Good day everyone!
Ikaw na lang kaya eh.
Yung money, pero mo pag-ihagin.
Pagday mo yung kinayang bitch.
Today we're here to discuss the importance, use, and purpose of the emergency kit. Ay, ano pa lang.
Ego.
Good day everyone. We're here to discuss the importance, use, and purpose of an emergency kit.
Pwede na yun!
Ikaw galing pa to. Good day everyone. We're here to discuss about... Di mo na kayo din para...
Uy, ibaba mo yun, mas dat kita yung akin.
Good day everyone. We're here to discuss about the importance...
Ang ina kaya yan. Ano to, funny videos?
Ayun, si Ricky. Pero ko din mga tarang.
Hindi, matar. Umalis
Ay,
ka muna yun.
bako muna pala ako.
Oo nga, ba't nandiyan ka kasi pag...
Bakit pagkado mo?
Hindi niya na-realize.
Ano to? Family tree group. Iti sana,
Piling nga bundok?
lang nga binidyohan mo.
Di ano mo yung ano kasi, yung may bundok.
Whole game na oh.
Sa mga palaka mo eh.
Pwede
Yung
mo bigyan sa
kamakit,
akin?
ano sa kanya.
Baka pagkamala tayo magpapag.
Kasi ito nga ikuha ito.
Ang ina mo days. Ano ka ba ga? Bulol sa S?
1, 2, 3, go.
Good day everyone. What is exactly the emergency kit? An emergency kit. Gago po basic. Local maps. Cellphone with charger or battery ketchup. Battery ketchup. Local maps. Cellphone with charger or battery backup.
Ba't nalubog gawin kaya kayo?
Baka tol.
Baka pa. Adip naman na yun eh. May ketchup.
Local maps. Cellphone with charger or backup battery. In addition, we also need a cash. Kulog kang ano ko pa rin, mamamatay.
Artista si Patuan.
Dali na tol.
Ni. Shit, ang sarap.